Today, we'd like to introduce you to the Arista Continuous Integration Pipeline for network automation. The Arista CI pipeline provides an advanced DevOps environment for the continuous end-to-end lifecycle management of network operations from design to testing to integration, deployment, and documentation. It's designed to help our customers adopt a modern operating model, bringing increased agility, efficiency, and reliability to the network, while enabling testing as opposed to rollback, and thus reducing human error. The solution consists of Arista's validated designs, cloud test, and continuous integration. These three tools work together to build the network, test the network, and deploy the network without an error-prone CLI and through software-based automation.
Let's start with Arista's validated designs, or AVD, which takes Arista's best practices and turns them into repeatable code. The models in AVD are used to generate configurations, tests, and documentation for multiple network types. It is developed in the open on a public GitHub repository, allowing users to contribute to and modify the models to suit their needs. By using AVD, our customers are able to use fabric-wide inputs as opposed to device-level configuration to build out their designs, simplifying their network, ensuring consistent implementation, and reducing human errors. When deploying AVD, we can adopt either of two paths. The first is using a CloudVision-based workflow and provides an easy-to-deploy system for automating the deployment of Layer 2 and Layer 3 leaf spines and EVPN networks. The second path would be as part of an OpenCI pipeline, leveraging multiple tools such as Ansible and Git. This route grants more flexibility and multi-vendor options, but also requires more development effort to get all the pieces integrated. In either case, we start from the same data models and output the same configurations, documentation, and other artifacts. Cloud Test is a SaaS offering that allows customers to build and test their network designs in a virtual sandbox. Cloud Test is built to scale to large networks and is a completely managed offering. It can be used to design and test network architectures without any hardware, allowing engineers to fine-tune their implementation without physical devices. In addition, it is built using our vEOS and CloudVision software, so you can run your tests on the same exact code as is run in a production environment. It works hand in hand with AVD to take the network configurations built with AVD and puts them in a testing sandbox.
Continuous integration has become a mainstay of modern-day software development and DevOps toolchains. CI automates the execution of the phases of an operational change. This allows engineers the ability to rapidly build and test their changes before putting them into a production environment, manages the delivery of the assets, and validates the effects of the change in a completely automated fashion. Our CI solution is built on top of NetDL, allowing this information to be stored, along with our real-time streaming telemetry and packet flow data to inform future change decisions or look at historical trend data. By combining validated designs, cloud test, and CI on a foundation of NetDL, the Arista CI pipeline helps customers adopt a more modern operating model when it comes to network deployment, adopting best practices from DevOps and software development environments. As users embrace these technologies, they can see the time it takes to deploy changes go from quarters to weeks to days and to hours, with higher uptime and lower operating costs. Thank you.